Ekawati as a mechanic.
I'm Diana Iriantina as a customer.
I am Hamsina as the first student.
I'm Siti Hota as a second student. Good morning, my name is Diana.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Nining Ekawati, a mechanic here.
My car outside works fine actually, but I want to understand about how the inside of the engine.
Sure. Let us take a quick tour of main engine components. My students, Tia and Ina, will help us in this tour.
So, I will help with the demonstration.
And I will explain some part too. Okay, this is the engine block. It's the foundations of the engine where all the major parts are assembled.
So it is like the main body of the engine.
Exactly, ma'am. Without it, nothing holds the parts together.
Inside the engine block, you will find the piston. They will move up and down when the engine runs.
So what makes the move?
The combustions of fuel and air mixture pushes them down. They keep repeating this movement. The crankshaft is connected to the piston.
It changes the up and down motion of piston into a rotational motion to turn the wheels.
So without it, the car wouldn't move.
Exactly, ma'am.
This is the spark plug. It creates a small spark to ignite the wood and air mixer inside the cylinder.
So that's like starting the fire for the engine.
Yes, no spark means no start.
If one of these parts is damaged, what happens?
The engine won't work properly, and sometimes it wasn't start at all. That's why maintenance is important.
So, regular shop keeps all the components in good shape.
Thanks. Now I understand much better.
You're welcome, ma'am.
See you next time for your routine check.
See you. Thank you.